Welcome to this video. We've got an H118 Mini Boat and we've got everything that you basically need and it comes with. So we've got the box, which it comes with really because you get it delivered or you buy it from the shops, depends. And we've got the remote, the charger and the boat itself. So we'll start with the boat. So this is like the boat. It's got two pieces here which like sense the water. Like if a child's trying to play with it when it's not in the water, it will stop the propellers moving because it might hurt people and if they stick their fingers right at the back here. And we've got a big battery here which has these plugs. So a tip for this boat, so if you keep it plugged overnight it will drain battery because it needs to sensor if it's in water. So the first time I had it, I played with it once and the next day I was trying to play with it and I was thinking, why isn't it moving? And then we figured out you need to unplug these overnight so it doesn't drain the battery. So you need to put the case 45 degrees to lock it, and here's like the lock, so it's pretty easy. Well, it's a bit stiff to put on, so it's quite hard for children to fiddle and put it on. So the battery powers two motors. This is to make, like, if it's steering a bit right, you might need to put it a bit left. Sorry, I didn't know which was left. And you put it in the middle if you want it to go like forwards and it doesn't go off to the right or left. And so this like fake rudder does not control it. It's basically the propellers. And if you're thinking, I normally used to cars with this remote. Well, it comes with the car remote. So if you like car remotes, you're sorted. So it's basically a car, left, right, forwards, backwards. Doesn't really do it. It's like for stopping it from going into like any walls and on off here. Little light to tell you. So it's really fast. So we'll show you in the water and whoopsie-daisy. So we've got some 2 AAs in here. If I slide it, see the 2 AAs. And in here we've got one main battery which needs charging obviously because it is rechargeable. And so we'll take it for a test in the water. There we go. There we go, 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 there. Seriously, oh. There we go. Seal it up. There we go. Turn it on. Put it in the water. And then, oh, it's got sprayed. So this is like the backwards, so I'm ready to go backwards and I'll bring it towards you. So that's basically the design. So if I lift it up, it doesn't really have these two bits. It actually has like a normal boat, this bit here, just to make it go overboard. You might need to step back if you're controlling it because it does go. So now we're going to do a time lap around our paddling pool. See which one's faster, the submarine or the boat. So if you haven't seen the submarine video, you should check that out because it goes quite fast for a cheap submarine. So let's do the boat. So we've got a stopwatch here, got the boat ready. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. So the boat did it in 12 seconds, 17.17, sorry. And so that's fast. So we're going to take the boat out, turn it off. Okay, that's got a lot of water on it. Come on. No. No, don't do this. Yay. Now we're going to try the submarine, so I'm not totally sure because it was really fast. I'll stop turning it on now. So, come on. 3, 2, 1, go. It's fun in its own way. Oh. Okay, this is getting a bit hard. Seriously. Seriously. Oh, no. Okay, I'm just going to head back. Oh, I think that's how you're going to get out of it. I can't. I'm going to lose it. It's so hard. You just need to do... So I did like half a circle, I'd reckon, in 48 seconds, 0.75. Can't blame it, it's quite cheap. I think it did quite well for a little submarine. So, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. It's quite hot in the water. So, yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, go and subscribe and see you guys next time. Bye!